Hi everybody, this is David with another tutorial on ChromeOS. So today we're going to talk about how we can ink, very similar to what we do with Smart Ink on Windows devices, on documents and on websites. So we are going to be using the Page Marker extension. There is a link on the description for you to check that out and put it onto your ChromeOS device. So the extensions live on the top right of my Chrome browser, right beside the URL bar. If I tap on the extension, which looks like a little pen, I can change the color. I can select a highlighter or eraser, or even select the different drawings or markings that I'm doing on here. So if I'm writing down my name, we'll see on here that if I try to use my finger, it's actually going to keep drawing. So I have to go back to the mouse button to be able to move. Just remember that this is very much I'm drawing over top of the document, so the document doesn't actually have this saved. I can go ahead and erase on here as well. And if I want to save an image of what I'm drawing, so I'm just going to write down my name again. I'm going to click on the download button here, which is going to give me the ability to save it onto the local storage or directly onto Google Drive for wherever I'm storing my captures. As well, I can use this extension if I go to any other website and tap on the extension. Let's change the color this time. And there we go. So that's it for inking with extensions. Check back to our tips YouTube page for more videos on tutorials for ChromeOS and anything else related to educational technology. Thank you.